All right, next pair we've got down here. This cock on the outside is from Lamberton Racing Lofts, Jeff Lambertsenberg. This is a line-bred Hardy Kruger. And the dad won 12th equal first against 2,215 birds. And I think this is a sibling, was 339th on the 350-mile Hoosier final out of 1,700 birds. So the parents come down from Cool Hand Luke and Sheridan and Bollinger. On the dad's side, his dad was 6th, 5th, 3rd, 6th, 7th, and 7th, and 1st in the 2022 all-distance champ races in Colorado. And then Cool Hand Luke, his grandfather, was 1st 600 miles, 1st 600 miles, 1st 500 miles, 4th 300 miles, and 1st marathon long distance. And he's the AU Hall of Fame runner-up. And then on his mom's side, the grandma is Sheridan, which is the first Oklahoma Hall of Fame young bird. So I have lots of good hopes for him. He handles